Can't we had a ton of success with the power play today. Talk about how it was so successful.
Well, I think when you look at them, they weren't really particularly pretty goals. A lot of times, Cooch or Stammer are scoring on those shots, but when they don't, me and Miller try to be at the net and cause havoc. And on the two I scored today, it was just kind of I was in the right place, and on both Cooch kind of put it in a good spot for me.
What are the challenges when you're up 2-0? What do you have to do to retain focus?
Well, I think you got to keep playing the same way, and it's difficult because you're not trying to score anymore, but you can get away from things. They definitely had a push there at the end. They did a good job. I think we had to do a little bit better job managing their push. To give them credit in the third period.
Do you feel that the shortened bench affected your play in the third period?
I don't know. We've dealt with that in the past. We've played a lot of times. We've played 7 and 11 throughout the year. I don't think it was fatigue or anything. I think those guys that weren't in helped us at the time, but it wasn't fatigue or anything like that.
You guys have been dominant in the second period all season. You carried that into today's game. Just what is it about second periods that allows you guys to play so well?
I'm not sure. I mean, in the first game, I don't think we particularly had a good second period. So tonight was an emphasis put on having a better second period than we did in the first game.
Brandon, let's go.
Thanks, guys.